Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to increase speed in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's go to Spotify app. So here it is. Now, there's a problem that we cannot increase speed of any songs. So let's tap on this one and here is no option for increasing speed. But in case of podcast, let's go to a podcast. Here we can see when we tap on this one, when we play it, here we can see this icon over here 1.3x. When we tap on this, we can change the speed to anything we want. So here we can change the playing speed. So this is all how we can change the speed in Spotify. We can only change the speed of podcasts and shows, but not of music and songs. So that's all. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.